What is going on, guys? This is our mouse program. Mice for computers and PCs. Pause the video and copy the code. Our mouse program. Competitive gaming mice run about 8,000 hertz, 8,000 times per second hertz, I think, 8,000 times. A polling rate or polling data of 8,000 times per second. Our software, no need for new hardware. This is a software update, a firmware update. No need for new hardware to make this work. It'll bring your mouse from 8,000 up to 1 million hertz, 1 million times per second instead. Using our molecular physics theory under the hood. Check that out. We also shrunk the program. Let's check it out. Ooh, very nice. In our molecular theory, molecules act like little tennis balls. One ball hits another and the ball that was hit bounces off like normal physics. It's normal physics basically, like normal tennis balls. And that's how moles act. A person could be made of 1 trillion moles. If you keep taking away moles from that person, they'll get smaller and smaller and eventually die. That's the theory. I had some other videos that uses the same theory under the hood. And according to him, he says the little balls bounce around and hit each other using normal physics. Like I said, there's so many balls and hitting each other like that. We use the balls hitting each other as calculations. One particle or molecule hits one another, and that's one calculation. Computer calculations. Calculates. So many balls. So many calculates. Small level, tiny shrunken. At the small level layers, we shrunk the program. Our code is meant for upgrading, improving, and developing, and it's hardware ready. This is a Python project for beginner and advanced. Python coding, Python programming. You don't even need new hardware to make this work on your mouse. It's more like a software update. You just install it and you just modify it a bit, make it run on your mouse, and your mouse will be a polling rate of 1 million times per second. Just like that. without buying new mice or upgrading the mice for hardware. That's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time. Let's check that out again. Ooh, nice. Alright, see you guys next time.